Some managers assume that if they just pay their staff more, their employees will stick around indefinitely. Years ago, Frederick Herzberg's research revealed that pay is a hygiene factor. If pay is too low or is perceived as too low, then it's an issue. However, high pay does not correlate to job satisfaction. So paying significantly higher than other employers does not help with employee retention or with employee satisfaction. More money won't offset the annoyance of having a jerk for a boss or a very difficult work environment. A pay increase feels good at the time of the increase, but it soon becomes the new normal. We've all worked with employees who can't afford to quit because they can't make as much money anywhere else. These golden handcuffs can create miserable employees who make others in our organization miserable as well. And while it's fine to be generous with pay, being overly generous increases your cost structure, and it has some big downsides. Make sure you check the market pay rates for your jobs so that you aren't spending your labor dollars on golden handcuffs.